Everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Today I'm working on decorating the CD holder. In one of my other videos, just recently, I think I've already put it up. If not, you're going to be seeing it soon. I showed you, or I did a video on prepping your canvases, your glass jars, your record albums, and your CDs. So if you are going to do a pour on a CD and give it as a gift, we would put it in here after it was already done. This comes with this little card here, which is a little bit thicker than regular paper. So I'm cutting out, I have some glitter paper, so I just traced it. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to lay it on, come back here. I'm going to lay it right over the top of that, right there. I shouldn't have folded it, but it's my first one, so hopefully I have it right. I think this is square. I can see it, so if I have to trim off the edges, I will. And I'm going to bring it down because it's self-adhesive. So now we do have a glittered sheet. And on the back, you can actually write things. Or you can put another decoration back there. But for here, what I've already done is I've used my six and I've cut out some pretty little snowflakes. Like this. And they were the snow glitter. I don't know if you could tell. However, I tried to cut out, this was a better brand, so it cut out much easier with the Sissics, whereas the green gave me a really hard time when I was trying to cut out the trees. So I am going to try something else for the trees. I might just make, if I have the gold in that other color, I might just do gold. So what we're working on today is decorating the inside of this case. These all have sticky backs, so you can put it on there any way you want. And I would actually have this on the outside showing on the outside as a decoration, and on the inside would be words or such. So now I'm going to look for, actually I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go find something else that I can use in my Sissics to cut these trees. I ended up with some white ones, which are sort of cute, but they were just the paper. And I ended up with this one, but I had to cut it out, and I'm not happy with that. So I had to throw away the ones I couldn't get them apart. So I'm going to try something else, and we'll be back in a few minutes.